what we're doing right now is removing or neutralizing the level 9 yellow gold.
Okay.
Okay.
And what are you using to neutralize it? What color?
Okay, we're using a beige and an ash base. Or beige, or you could say violet base, because violet neutralizes the yellow. And with the beige and the violet, it's going to give it a soft baby blonde effect.
And so is this applied to wet hair?
It is, because it is a toner, it is applied to wet hair. Because we've really completed her lifting process, and now we just want to tone or remove the warmth from her hair.
And how often will you have to touch up the toner?
Well, it's not as much as touching up the toner as much as the amount of growth that her hair, grows. The dark, the new growth comes in.
So you apply the toner whenever you do the lift?
Whenever you do the lift. So whenever, her new growth comes in and, if I may say, distorts the color, the desired end result, that's when it's time to go in and balance out the color.
I can't wait to see the finished results.